If you're a data analyst, I'm pretty sure that you're the most underpaid professional in the world right now. So, how do I know that? Think about it. Have you ever heard the term data is the new oil? Data is the new gold rush? ChatGPT, AI, right? Well, the thing is, they're right. Data is critical for any business. In fact, 90% of businesses aren't even using 90% of their data, right? Because it's unstructured. They don't know how to actually deal with it. So that means there's a massive, massive opportunity for people that know how to use the data and construct the data, engineer the data. And as a data analyst, you already actually have foundational knowledge that you can tap into, whether you realize it or not. And all you have to do is leverage what you already know. You can leverage that to actually become a data engineer. And you can do this within like 30 to 60 days, 90 at most. And after you do that, you're going to get like a 50 to 100% increase in your pay, which is why I'm saying data analysts happen to be in an incredibly, incredibly good spot to capture this opportunity, but you need to take action. Because trust me, college kids, they're coming. They're coming, they're learning these tools left and right, and they're not going to wait for you to take advantage of this opportunity. They're going to go right for it. So, if you're a data analyst and want to become a data engineer, click on the link below and let's get you paid 100% more than what you are currently getting paid.